Hey everyone, rideshare reseller, and I am super stoked today as I sold a very large item and I sold it very fast. And we're going to take a look at that at the end of this video. Right now we're going to get into what sold on Thursday. Today's Friday, so we're going to get to looking what sold on Thursday. So let's take a look. All right everybody, how you doing? It's great. I feel great. We're going to take a look at what sold. We're going to make this video pretty quick. I'm a busy day today. I've got 3 appointments for basically going picking up some stuff. I'm excited about all 3, but I'm really excited about one. I'll make a video of it and show you the items that I'm going to get today off of Nextdoor. All 3 of these are going to be coming off of Nextdoor. One of them has the potential to be really nice. We'll see. You're going to see it all unfold on video. So let's get right back into what sold. At the beginning of the video, you saw it. A Cooper cooler. This is my second one I've sold. These pop up a lot in California. I paid about, I think, $7 for this little guy. It sold for $38.71, $19.95, and what it is, just so everybody knows, is it just chills your wine fast. I don't know. I think people keep wine in their fridge. I usually think that, but they need these where I guess you can put a beer in there too, and it chills it pretty quickly. So if you find these and you can get them cheap, they will sell. I love them when they're in the box because then you've got all the styrofoam around it. And if you saw at the beginning of the video, I have a box that it perfectly fits in. It should be okay. I've shipped them that way many times before. So let's go look at the next one. Not a lot of bigs again, just one at the end. This one here, pretty cool hat. Off of my dollar hat pick. This is from 1988, the Reno Balloon Race. Very popular up there in Reno, the air races and the balloon races. And this is a vintage little hat, and it only sold for, what did we sell for? $7.95 plus $5.25 shipping. Pretty quick flip. You just store that thing in the big box, and you might have 30-40 hats in there. Easy money. All right, here's something from yesterday that I picked up. If you remember, I picked up the stereo equipment and the metal detector yesterday, and on the way back I found a book on the side of the road, and then I found about 12 DVDs. Well, I found this one and it sold instantly. I probably had it underpriced, but I thought I checked it. It was only sold for $5 plus the $2.95 shipping. So it looks like Audrey Hepburn. Made a quick $5. Boom, just like that, just on the street. Plus that book that's about $30 and a couple other DVDs. So not bad. Here we go. It seems like an album a day makes me richer. This one sold for, this is When in Rome, The Promise. It's like a EP, 45 RPM. So it's a large 12-inch disc, but it's 45 RPM. So it has to, if you play it at 33, it's going to sound weird. It's got to be played at 45. And this one, believe it or not, sold for $29.95 and $3.95 shipping. This is part of the free album collection that I picked up. We are now over $420 worth of albums off of that. I believe I'm at $20. I believe I'm at 20 albums sold for that $400. I still have 55 albums left out of that lot. All right, up next is this guy here. It's a Pan Digital handheld wand scanner with feeder dock. Had this a while, didn't make a lot of money. This was on my sale items that I put on the store. I put it on sale, and I basically got rid of it at $16.96. I'm sure it was a Savers find, and it couldn't have been more than about $6 at that Savers. Sold for $16.96, $12.95 shipping. So pretty good thing I got rid of it. You know, it was taking up space. Now it's gone. All right, the last one before the big one. This one's cool. Another t-shirt from my area. This is the Blue Angels from Salinas, California. That's when they did their air show. What is the date? Is there a date on this one? I don't think there's a date. Is there a date on the pocket? Yeah, 1997. So there you go, on the pocket. So brand new, this vintage. Paid $2.80 for the whole lot of 100. $2.80 average for the whole lot. And this sold for $18.25 and $4.95 shipping. So another, quick flip. I've got quite a few shirts left, but they've been selling nickels and dimes and keeping me making a little money here and there. All right, it's time to get to the big one. All right. If you saw my video from, it was basically yesterday, but you will get to see it, hopefully, you'll see it before this one. So you'll just have to realize that this item sold in 3 hours, okay? 3 hours. There it is, guys, the metal detector, okay? If you've watched the metal detector video, this is the Excalibur. There it is. I'll put the sale on the page so you can see it. But that is the metal detector right there. And the metal detector sold for $999.95 with $39.95 shipping. It sold in 3 hours. What did I pay for that? If you watch the video, you know. I'll put a link to that up top. I paid $500 for that item. So let's kind of break it down a little bit and see what my net profit is, because I didn't make 500. So here's a little chart. It's kind of hokey. Okay, I'm going to go off of this and tell you what it is. So $995.95 plus 40 shipping comes out to $1,035.90 total sale. eBay fees on the total of $1,035.90. $135. Shipping was $22. He paid $40. Cost of the unit $500. So $657 of total cost. Sold it for $1,035.90 minus $657 equals $378.90 profit for 3 hours. Basically, she was literally a mile from my house. So it really was no work at all. And I made $378.90. So I'm stoked. So that's how I'm working now. I'm working from a different angle than most right now. I'm trying to go for the more expensive items that I see on Nextdoor, that kind of thing, where people are shying away from. People tend to thrift and resell maybe off of $10, $20, that kind of thing. So I'm pushing for the higher dollar volume and seeing what happens. And right there, I did my homework. That was the key. The key to this sale was I did my homework and knew that it would sell. There was a guy up there that had the same unit with similar maybe equipment. He had 48 bids on the item. He was bidding. He was an auction with a day and a half to go, and he was at like $950. So I knew at $995 I should sell it. And I didn't put best offer. I left best offer alone. I wasn't going to deal with people trying to lowball me. I wanted that price, and I got that price. So pretty crazy, pretty amazing. I love those kind of flips. That's how I like to work. I like to find the big ticket items and flip those and hit a lick real quick. I feel like Craigslist Hunter. Watch his videos. Watch how he works. He has phenomenal numbers, $60,000 months off of eBay. Yeah, he has a store and everything, and he has a lot of space. But you can follow his model a little bit. He tends to pay up for things as long as he knows that he can flip them. So that's my philosophy too. I'm buying everything else too, but I'm really looking, if something's catching my eye that I can maybe make, $200-300 quickly, then I'm going for that. So anyhow, that's it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it, and we will catch you next time. Thank you.